Come take a look. We're in Winter Garden. We're on 5 acres, 2 full homes, and a custom detached garage.
It is quite the compound. We are in this serene area of Winter Garden. It's a very unique property, a rare find, yet close to all the conveniences that Winter Garden has to offer.
Come take a look and call us for your private showing. Just outside the heart of Winter Garden, we're here on 5 acres, 2 homes, and a detached custom garage. Endless possibilities here.
1,800 square feet in this garage, but the 2 properties make this one of the most unique properties in the area of Winter Garden, yet close to all the conveniences that Winter Garden has to offer.
Come take a look and make this your home.